Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning zoom out text intro on Capcut PC. So you can start by using a white or black background if you want to, and then just write the text in here. So for example, I'm going to just write morning. You can change the color of the text into black and change the font into how you like it. For example, in here, okay, I'm going to use this font right here. You can adjust the text size and to go with like this. Okay, and after that, you can just select the background and the text, right click and create a compound clip. Now just add your videos into Capcut again and put the text video on top of the video, and you can adjust the duration. Here I'm going to delete the rest part of it, and now click on the text video and click on the basic in here, find the blending options and change it into screen. So now you can see the video background, and now you can click on the text video and add a keyframe under the transform in here and make the text bigger. I'm going to go with destroy. Okay, 500%, and after that you can just go in here. For example, I'm going to go to put another keyframes in here under the transform and put the scale to its original position, which is 100%. Hit on enter, and then you'll see this zoom out text effect. And after that, you can click on the text video again and go to animation. Under the out category, add the zoom out animation, just like this. Adjust the duration, and this will be the result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.